Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. We got some crafting we're going to do, but first I want to say Kerri S had an entry and it was nagging at me. What if I forgot somebody? And I did, because I put hers. She had that beautiful book. I have it right here. Yes, and I didn't put her name in the wheel, so I'm going to send you a very special prize. And if I've forgotten anybody else, let me know, because I will send you out something just to say I'm sorry. I've got to learn to make a list or something to be more organized. I'm really sorry. I feel terrible. You all did such a great job. You all deserve to win something, but my bank account doesn't like me that much. All right, so I am once again making the pencil favors for my friend's class. We are having a girls' craft night tonight, so I'm going to take these over and make them at her house. We're crafting at her place tonight. And then if you remember, I had purchased 2 of these, but only one made it in my bag. So I'm just going to take these. It's an eraser, a pencil top eraser, right? They have Santa, reindeer, snowman, Christmas tree. These came from the dollar store. So I'm just putting 2 pencils and the little Santa down in there. And then what I want to do is take my tape runner and just put a little bit of tape across the top, just enough so that I can fold it over. I guess I'm going to have to put some on here as well. Isn't that lovely? Might have to find a better way to do that, because that's not pretty anymore. Anyway, I'll make them look better, but yeah, I want to make 24 of those tonight. So instead of us doing that, I'm going to take that to my friend's house. So I'm going to get my bag and put that in there. I knew that wasn't right. There was something missing. So open her back up, because I'm taking these little notepads that they give at the dollar store and cutting them in half and sliding that down in there as well. So that they have something to write on over Christmas break. They can make little love notes or whatever 3rd graders do. Alright, see if we can make this a little bit better this time. Alright, so I'm going to make 24 of those. That means I have to go to the dollar store before I go to her house and get a few more pad packs. Alright, today's advent calendar is the Crafty advent calendar. So let's see what we can make today. I shaved my dog. He had a lot of nuts. It was not good. It's a hack job. So it's like the top of him is really short and the bottom is still long, because I had to stop. At some point I had to stop torturing my poor dog. I don't know when we're going to finish it. I mean, he still was jumping on me and licking me after I stopped. I guess he was telling me, thanks, Mom, thanks for stop torturing me because I'm done. So now he's getting a little chilly. And he had a treat, and he had some special cheese. And all kinds of good things. Because the poo got some bad treatments, didn't you? Yeah, my mommy did some bad things to me. Thank you. All done. All done with the chili. All done with the chili, Papa. Yeah. You're all done. Poor child. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Mommy just needs to finish shaving you. I don't know. A lot of it I had to do by hand, too, because he just would not sit still for the clippers. The clippers were not something he enjoyed. Whatever. Everything is fine. All right. We have a bow. We have a hanger. We have a don't know. Two little don't knows. I don't know. And I don't know. Oh, we're making an ornament. Oh, okay. So that's the top that goes up here. Okay. Use the stick to scratch a design into the ornament. What? Really? Is that not the right side? Oh, this side. Hi, my name is Leslie. Oopsies. There we go. Who could guess I was going to do that? All right, so then we're going to put these little jewels on it. Okay. Then place the hanging string on the top edge of the ornament. And place the foam topper on top and press firmly. Thank you very much. Don't press softly, press firmly. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, little particular. Gotta be perfect. Okay, we have pressed firmly. It's a little crooked, whatever. Put the bow on it. Everything will be fine. This glue dot that is included is for the bow. It goes on here. move that down a little bit. There we go. It's fine. Oh, it's not fine because it's not on. How about if we do this and we just stick that side on and we don't take the back off, and then we can be sure that our bow will stay. Well, isn't that special? Alright everyone, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, hype it, subscribe if you haven't. I'd love to have you here on my channel as part of my friend group. And if you have any requests for Vlogmas 2025, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow for day 7 of Vlogmas. See you there.